Mini 4WD is a popular hobby focused on building and racing miniature motor-powered cars. These small battery-operated vehicles run on specialized tracks with guide rails, and the joy of the hobby comes from customizing and tuning your car for optimal performance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and interested in getting into this hobby, this video is perfect for you. Make sure to watch it all the way through, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any future Mini 4WD content. Now, let's jump right into it. Here's a breakdown of common Mini 4WD builds and key considerations. Chassis. This is the backbone of your Mini 4WD. Tamiya offers various chassis types, each with different characteristics regarding stability, durability, and motor placement, front, mid, rear. EMA chassis, midship aero, known for its balanced performance, good speed, and dual-shaft motor, often recommended for beginners. BS chassis, lightweight and agile, popular for its monocoque structure. Example, Lupin Racer. AR chassis, aerodynamic and durable, with integrated air ducts for motor cooling. Example, Shadow Shark. BZ chassis, an improvement on the BS chassis, offering better rigidity, compact design, and high upgrade potential. Example, Ray Spear. FMA chassis front motor aero, places the motor at the front for better weight distribution, excelling on jumpy tracks. Example, Mach Frame. Other chassis include MS, Super TZ, Super X, Super XX, Super 1, and Super 2. Motor. The heart of your Mini 4WD motors vary in their power output and speed. Torque-tuned motors, good for technical tracks with mini curves and inclines, emphasizing acceleration. Hyperdash motors offer a good balance or lean towards higher speed. Sprint Dash, Power Dash, Mach Dash motors, designed for maximum speed on tracks with long straights. Motors are often broken in to optimize their performance. Gears. The gear ratio determines how motor power is transferred to the wheels, impacting acceleration and top speed. High-speed gear ratios, for example, 3.5 to 1, 3.7 to 1, for maximum speed on long, straight tracks. Balanced gear ratios, for example, 4 to 1, 4.2 to 1, a compromise for tracks with a mix of straights and curves. High torque gear ratios, for example, 5 to 1, prioritizes acceleration for technical tracks with many curves and slopes. Tires and wheels. These affect grip, speed, and stability. Soft tires provide more grip, good for stable, slower corners. Hard tires offer less grip, which surprisingly can lead to faster cornering in Mini 4WD due to the rollers, suitable for technical tracks and jumps. Low-profile tires reduce drag and improve speed. Large diameter wheels can boost top speed on open tracks. Small diameter wheels favor acceleration. Rollers essential for smooth cornering. Their size, thickness, weight, and placement significantly impact how your car runs through corners. Wider car settings within rules allow the car to run further inside the lane on corners, effectively shortening the track. Mass dampers, weights added to the car to stabilize it during jumps and rough track sections, helping to control landing and prevent bouncing. Brakes, used to slow the car down, especially before jumps or technical sections, to keep it on the track. Different materials, sponge, rubber, and placements offer varying braking effects. Bearings, replacing plastic bushings with ball bearings, reduces friction, improving speed and efficiency of rotating parts like gears, shafts, and rollers. Start with a modern, well-balanced chassis like the MA or VZ. These are generally easy to assemble and offer good performance out of the box. Consider a starter pack or advanced pack, as they come with basic tune-up parts, making it easier to experiment. Speed builds focus on high RPM motors, for example, Hyperdash, Mach Dash, Sprint Dash. Use high-speed gear ratios, for example, 3.5 to 1. Opt for low-profile or hard tires to reduce drag and improve cornering speed. Minimize weight where possible, especially the body. Ensure all rotating parts, shafts, gears, rollers are well lubricated with a good quality oil to reduce friction. Technical track builds handling and stability. Choose a chassis known for stability, like the MA or even MS. Consider torque-tuned motors or balanced gear ratios, for example, 4 to 1, 4.2 to 1, 5 to 1, to handle corners and inclines. Implement mass dampers strategically to control jumps and prevent the car from flying off the track. Proper roller placement and angle are crucial for smooth cornering. Wider roller settings can improve stability. Utilize brakes, sponge, or rubber to manage speed before jumps and tight turns. Experimentation is key. Track conditions vary, so continuous testing and tweaking of your car's setup are essential to find the optimal performance. Battery quality. High-quality, fully charged batteries are vital for consistent performance. Smoothness. Your car should run smoothly with a hum and no rattling. If you hear unusual noises, disassemble and troubleshoot. Understand the track, identify challenging sections, jumps, sharp corners, slopes, and adjust your car's setup accordingly. If this video sparked your interest in Mini 4WD, hit the like button and subscribe for more content.